మేడ్చల్ మల్కాజ్గిరి జిల్లా కాప్రా మండలం జవహర్ నగర్ పరిధిలో నూతనంగా ప్రారంభించిన జయాస్ హోమ్ ఫర్ గర్ల్స్ చైల్డ్ సొసైటీలో ఈరోజు సొసైటీ ప్రెసిడెంట్ అరుణ్ కుమార్ త్యాగి మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రుల ఆధ్వర్యంలో పలువురికి సొసైటీ బాధ్యతలను అప్పగించడం జరిగింది. వైస్ ప్రెసిడెంట్గా కార్మెన్ మారియా, జనరల్ సెక్రటరీగా వీరేందర్ సింగ్ రాణా, చీఫ్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఆఫీసర్గా పద్మజ, ట్రెజరర్గా కళ్యాణి లక్ష్మి, జాయింట్ సెక్రటరీగా తరుణిక, ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మెంబర్స్గా రాజశ్రీ, నాగరాజ్ బాధ్యతలు తీసుకున్నారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా వారు మాట్లాడుతూ తెలంగాణ వ్యాప్తంగా ఎక్కడెక్కడ సుమారు 10 సంవత్సరాల లోపు ఉన్న ఆడపిల్లలు అనాథలుగా ఉంటే తమను సంప్రదించవచ్చని జయాస్ హోమ్ ఫర్ గర్ల్స్ చైల్డ్ సొసైటీ నిర్వాహకులు ఈ సందర్భంగా తెలపడం జరిగింది.
So first we would like to thanks सब लोगों को धन्यवाद है. आज जया होम्स फॉर गर्ल्स चाइल्ड सोसाइटी NGO का अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर्स देने वाले हैं. So we all should be very proud to open the NGO and we will definitely run in a very smoother way and formal way. हमारा एक ही मकसद है, सब लोग हम लोग आराम से करेंगे और कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं, वो भी विथ हॉनेस्टी से करेंगे. We hope all the best to our team members and congratulations. So, Shanti madam, yeah, madam is appointed as vice president of NGO Jayas Home. Treasurer of Jayas Home.
Double row.
Thank you very much. All the best. Singh Rana sir has been appointed as General Secretary. Advocate.
తోడా ఉండదు.
Card ఒకటి ఇవ్వండి.
ఇదే
A. Padmaja, madam have been appointed as Chief Financial Officer of Jayas Home.
मैं एक चीज़ और मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. दिस चेक इज आई एम गिविंग फ्रॉम माई साइड, फ्रॉम माई ओन फंड टू पद्मजा मैडम और इस
Hard work.
उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है. मैं रियली बता, मेरा मन बहुत खुश है
She
और आई एम
deserves.
सो हैप्पी. सो दिस 5000 चेक आई एम गिविंग टू द
Tarnika, and Tarnika has been appointed as Joint Secretary. Congratulations.
Wish you all the best.
Rajeshri madam has been appointed as Executive Member of Jayas Home. L. Nagraj have been appointed as Executive Member of Jayas Home.
From Jaya Girls Child Home Society, we are glad to announce that we are doing some good things for the society, and we would like to bring up the girl child who are deprived from the society without father and without mother. We would like to bring them up and give them the same love and affection of father and mother. We welcome all our team members of Jaya Home Society for Girls, and we are proud to be one of the team. Thank you.
నా పేరు మీద జయా హోమ్స్ పెట్టినందుకు ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ అండ్ థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ పేరెంట్స్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్, ఎవ్రీ వన్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. we will work hard. అందరం వర్క్ హార్డ్ చేద్దాము, ఇది ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్లాలని హోప్తో అందరికీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ చెప్తున్నాను.
So first we would like to thanks to A.K. Tyagi sir who have taken initiation of opening the Jaya's home, and I think he have been motivated from long time, so his dreams have come true now to open the Jaya's home. So we would like to thanks to first Tyagi sir and even as Jaya madam, and even our team members who have been encouraged and they have been come into this NGO with full honest, and our team members are like, I would like to even thanks of all the team members being as a loyalty, and we will continue the same thing. Hope so. We have to take care for the long term. It is not for the break, and we all are requested to even take care of not even a girl child. Even in future we would like to give a main career to the other people also, like who are really not having any kind of support from their like from their families or from their birth time also. So thank you very much and all the best to our team members. Congratulations.
I happy to know this institute opened by my son Arun Kumar Tyagi as a help to minor girl child to improve. Those are helpless, homeless, and there is no any facility with the girl childs. They can improve themselves by the help of my son and this society. He opened today. I heartily congratulate to this Thank you.
First of all, I would like to congratulate Tyagi sir for having such a great thought in his mind to do something for the girl child. So here we all would like to work with honesty and would like to give the same love and care for the children as we give for our kids. And I wish you all the very best for each and every team members. Thank you.
We the team members of the Jaya's Girl Child Society working hard to bring Girl Child Society to bring up these girl child's orphanages to maintain their life good and success in their life. Thank you.